Okay. This thing is a pretty cool concept, but boy, is it a pain to deal with here soon. We will definitely see this concept used again in one of the, well, several questions that we have dealing with particle collisions. So let's pay attention to it and what it's trying to give us. That being said, the statement reads, suppose you have a collection of particles all moving in the x direction with energies E1, E2, E3, and momenta P1, 2, 3. Find the velocity of the, quote, center of momentum frame in which the total momentum is 0. Alright, our solution then is to let the E total equal, add up all of the energies, add up all the momentum, so we get ET and PT for the totals. We want a frame in which P bar T is equal to 0, so we have to transform this. That being said, we have gamma P1T minus beta P0T, but we know that the P0 frame gives us the ET, so that's why we need the energy total there. That being said, for P1, we just have the x coordinate because we're moving in the x direction, so we're good there. And we're trying to set this all equal to 0. That being said, we are only 0 when the total momentum is equal to beta ET over c. And then if we solve for beta, we get the velocity from that. Here we just see that solving through gives us speed of light times the momentum total over the energy total. But we know that beta is equal to v over c. So we get a c squared term there. And then of course the c squared is the sum of the momenta and the sum of the energy. The real interesting part about this is that the center of momentum frame in which the momenta is equal to 0 is what is going to be useful to us in collisions. In fact, so useful that we use it without even thinking. It is just part of our toolbox and it's going to have to be used over and over again. And let me tell you, the first few times you encounter it, you're going to be like, what in the world is going on? But this concept here is very, very important to us. And although conceptually this thing is really easy to kind of put together, the actual implication or implementation of it becomes a whirlwind, and we got to be careful, and bookkeeping is a very big must. That being said, you'll know exactly when we use it, and I'll see you there.